Previously, we done the plugin part, and then we can add data, and then we can edit the images. So in this tutorial, this is a static page, but that's not what we want. We want the data coming from database, and then the user can change from our plugin. So that's what we want. So in this tutorial, we will loaded data from database. So we already have one product. So the first product, and then we need to load it from the WordPress database. So that's what we will be doing in this tutorial. So to do that, go back to our source code, and then we remember this is the source code, and then these are the two separate Git. So you can change. You may open this one in maybe two different Visual Studio codes, and then I just did inside the workbench, so like I can see both together. So to do that, click on this guy, and then make sure you are on a theme, and then you change to 05 loading data from DB. We don't have to do a lot because nothing is changing much. Just open this guy, and then you copy from line 4 to line 42. Just copy that guy, or you may add the if you want to code, you should add the inline PHP and then try to get it, because I don't want to waste your time, because you already understood the database. You just need to know how to do that. So to close everything, and then go to the UR theme in the index, and then do we copy everything? Let me double check. Yep, we copy everything. So you delete everything from between header and footer. Go down. Bye bye. Okay, now this guy, and then just paste. This is same as before, only this part is different. The reason is because we are loading data from database. So that one is individual. So these are the individual card, and then if you add the inline PHP, that will go inside. So to do that, we just inherit WPDB, and then we want to get everything from the inventory, our custom inventory table, WP custom inventory table, and then we try to execute so that query, and then we got the object, and then we loop to it until we loop, and then inside the individual card, and then that will appear. So you save that one, and then go back to our WordPress, browser, and then just type your WordPress URL. Okay, we got this guy. So we see this one, right? So you knew what to do. We fixed that one. We look for something, prepare. We just put. Okay, we fix one by one. Okay, that thing should be cool. So we will edit this one. That's my clan. So to do that, we need to go inside the WordPress backend, go in our plugin, just click on our plugin, and then these two are the same. So just edit, and then browse. It's in our 10, you see 10 folder images, and I change it back to that guy. We don't need this guy anymore. Everything's all right. Finger cross, go back to our WordPress site. So that thing is good. So to do that, you need to add all the products. So you try to add the product. So go to our, this is our development project. Go to our source code and then just open this guy. So we have a bunch of the product, and then you copy everything and then try to match this guy and then the other guy. So came back, go to our plugin and then click, that should be add new inventory. Then I'm not bothering that one. So Mini Cooper, sorry, not this guy, the other guy. Copy. And then choose the image. And then you do the rest, and then click back, and then we will have all the inventory back. So make sure you check. So that's good. You do everything, and then I pause. You do everything, come back. I add all the products, and then I add everything from our product page. So this is a product, all the product from here, product.info.text, and then came back here, and then if I refresh, we got all the product. So look at this guy. So when you click on detail page, it's not going anywhere because we haven't added detail page yet. So we'll do that one in next tutorial, and then same as usual. So we almost done. So this is CSS part. This is CSS because the reason is this photo is big and this photo is small. This photo is body care, and then these are just minor bags, you know. So what we may fix or not, I haven't decided yet, but I will. I want the challenge, so you fix it, CSS part, and then I already had the as a back fix, so it's already there, it's already fixed. So like, so I may be doing only this part, then you do the challenge, and then same as you share. If you have something, just report me. Otherwise, please make it some video better than this one.